In this video, I'm going to show you how to export in Waveform. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top left and click on File, and then you want to click on Export Render to a File. So as you can see here in the back, I have just like a simple track I want to export, but of course you can export anything you want. The first thing you have to select is where you want to export, so we can just click on this button over here to actually browse and select where you want to save it, okay? Then when you find your folder, click on Save and you're good to go. Now for me, that's going to be okay. I'm just going to leave it like it is. And from here, you can also pick your format. You have WAV, AIFF, and MP3, and some others as well. I'm going to leave it as WAV. And of course, you can go and select your channel layouts, your sample rate, sample size, etc. And then from here, if you want to remove silence at the start or the end, you can click on here. To normalize, select this box over here. And of course, here you have some other settings. The one that's also very important over here is what you actually want to export. So here it says, if you notice, it says only render marked region. If this is turned off, it's going to render the entire thing and you can export your entire project, whatever you have in here. But if you enable this, it's only going to render the marked region and only export that. So if you want to actually mark your region, that's how you can do it. You can go and move these I and O buttons. So just click and drag. And as you can see, if I click and drag these, I actually have to close this. I'll be able to go ahead and select what I want. So let's say I just want like this portion of audio, I can just go and select it like this. And now I have the I and O over here. So this over here is the, as it says, loop in position, and this is the loop out position. If I now go to File, Export, you can see if I do only render marked region, it's only going to render that specific region. I'm going to turn this off for now. And of course, over here, you have a bunch of different options. And when you've done all of that, you want to click on the render button, and it's going to render and save it wherever you've saved it. Okay, so that's literally how easy that is. Then simply open your File Explorer, and then in there you'll be able to find your exported files inside the folder where you saved it to. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.